How to fix screenshot not working or cannot be saved on your MacBook. So simply press the Command, Shift and number 3 or 4 on your keyboard. So now I took a screenshot, here is the preview, and I got it set up that it should save to my desktop. And as you can see, nothing happened and the screenshot is just not here. So here's the process how you can fix this problem. I'm gonna press on my keyboard Command plus Shift plus number 5, and this little preview will appear. Click on Options, and as you can see, I got it saved to the desktop. And if I change it, for example, Documents, it will change the location of your screenshot and it will work. So I'm gonna screenshot here right now, take a screenshot, and once I open the Finder and the download locations, which is Documents for me, here is this screenshot. So this is the quick fix even if your screen recording or screenshots are not saving to your MacBook. Just simply switch the download location or save location. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.